Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome comparison video about two nice devices. On the one side, we have the Apple Watch Series 10 versus the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. Which smart watch should you buy of this? Today, we are comparing two of the best smartwatches available. Both watches offer premium designs, advanced health tracking and AI-powered features, fitness coaching, and seamless smartphone integration. But they target completely different ecosystems, of course. So which smartwatch deserves your money? Let's find it out. First is design and build quality. The Apple Watch Series 10 continues Apple iconic square design with an incredible aluminum or titanium case. It features a beautiful edge-to-edge always-on Retina LTPO OLED display with up to 2000 nits of brightness, this making it easy to read even in direct sunlight. It is powered by Apple's S10 chip and offers a premium materials and excellent build quality. Samsung takes a different approach. The Galaxy Watch 8 features a refined circular display with an elegant modern design. Inspired by traditional watches, Samsung has also improved the comfort with a slimmer profile, while introducing a new Galaxy AI capabilities and update health tracking features. So here is the winner, Apple, for its sleek modern appearance, but Samsung for users who prefer the look of a classic wristwatch. Let's go to the display. Both watches features a nice AMOLED display. Apple's LTPO OLED display offers an excellent brightness, vivid colors, and extremely smooth animations. Samsung counters with a vibrant Super AMOLED display featuring excellent outdoor visibility, deep blacks, and a high refresh rate. Both displays comes with always-on display, automatic brightness adjustment, excellent touch responsiveness. Display quality is honestly outstanding on both devices, so we have a tie. The performance behind two devices is exceptional on both. The Apple's S10 chip delivers battery-smooth navigation, quick app launches, and excellent efficiency. Samsung's latest processor, combined with the newest Wear operating system and One UI watch software, also feels extremely fast while adding Gemini-powered AI features and an improved system efficiency. Everyday performance differences are minimal, of course. Minimal, baby. Both are flagship experience, so we have a draw. Has some fitness features. Both watches comes included heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, ECG, blood oxygen support, fall detection, workout tracking, GPS, stress monitoring, and Apple also all have sleep apnea notifications, temperature sensing, excellent integration with the Apple Health, and deep fitness analytics. Samsung introduced several Galaxy AI-powered wellness features, smarter coaching, improved workout analytics, and an additional health insight through the Samsung Health. And the Samsung Health itself is really nice stuff. Independent comparison have found that the Apple Watch to be slightly more accurate for the step tracking in some tests. Also, both perform a very, very best thing overall. So the winner, Apple wins slightly for the sensor accuracy. Samsung wins for an AI-powered wellness features. So both watches are the winners. Smart features. Both comes with calls, text messages, notifications, voice assistant, music streaming, contactless payments, navigation, third-party apps. But Apple works perfectly with the iPhone, iMessage, FaceTime, Apple Pay, Apple Health, and Apple Home. Samsung integrates the beautifully with Android. Samsung has Gemini AI, Google Maps with Google Wallet, and Google Assistant. Your smartphone ecosystem matters more than anything there. Let's go to the battery life. Battery life remains Samsung's strongest advantage. The Apple Watch Series 10 typically delivers around 18 hours, up to 36 hours in low power. Okay, but you like low power? No, we want the power. Get the power! in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 generally lasts noticeably longer, depending on usage, especially with the latest software optimization. If you dislike charging every day, Samsung should be the best for you, because Apple should be every day reloading. Yeah. Ecosystem. It's very simple. If you own an iPhone, buy the Apple Watch. If you own Samsung Galaxy or another Android phone, buy the Galaxy Watch. Trying to mix ecosystem means you will lose features and integration, particularly with Apple Watch, which requires an iPhone. And the price and the value, depending on size, Bluetooth or LTE version, materials, and regional offers. Both watches sit firmly in the premium smartwatch category. Samsung frequently offers attractive launch bundles and trade-in promotions, while the Apple focuses more on the long-term software support and resale value. So, what should we buy? We buy an Apple Watch Series 10. If you own an iPhone, you want the most polished smartphone experience. Health tracking accuracy is your priority, and you use Apple Health and other Apple services. Buy the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 if you are an Androider, especially Samsung Galaxy phone. You want a long battery life, you prefer a traditional round watch design, and you like AI-powered health and productivity features. So, both smartwatches are among of the very best you can buy. The Apple Watch Series 10 is the ultimate smartwatch for the iPhone users, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is one of the strongest choice for Android users, thanks to its modern AI features, excellent battery, and a premium design. Yeah, so tell me, what is your favorite in this comparison area? Let's get this in the comments, please. And of course, please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.